Hi smart people and welcome to Instructor Lesson Online tutorial. In this statistic video tutorials, I want to calculate the mean deviation of the set of numbers, which are these numbers you have here. I've already done a video on this using the normal method. I want to use a tabular method to solve this. I told you that that is a bit quite easier and quicker than the previous. If you have not seen the video, just check on that. Somewhere around this video you see the link to that video. Just click it and go and watch that video right now. So for this particular one, how do we apply the tabular method? Okay, or apply table to solve this problem. So the first thing first, we need to know the formula for mean deviation. And mean deviation is equal to sigma absolute value of x minus x bar all over n. So this is a formula for mean deviation. You need to have all these parameters in a table. First of all, what do we have first? You need the first one, which is your x. As well, you need also this particular one in this modulus sign or in this absolute value sign, x minus x bar. And finally, you have the modulus sign of this one. So this is how you want to arrange your table. Okay. So what is the next thing you need to do? What is your x? X is representing each of these numbers. So you can flank them up here. So you have the first one to be 7, 3, 14, 9, 7, and 8. Then you can't get this because you've not calculated for the mean, which is by x. So to calculate for the mean, remember that the formula for mean is sigma x over n. So by x now will equal to, what is sigma x? It's talking about the summation of all this number you're having here, which is going to be 7 plus 3 plus 14 plus 9 plus 7 plus 8. Now if you sum that up, let's do that quickly. You have 7 plus 3 plus 14 plus 9 plus 7 plus 8. What you have in your calculator there would be 48. Divide by n. What is your n? Is the total number we have here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divided by 6, the x bar will equal to 40 divided by 6, that will be 8. All right, so we've gotten our mean to be 8. So that will mean that we're going to be subtracting each of this number from this, taking each of this number from the mean. All right, and the mean we have is already 8. So we have this 7 minus 8, that will give us negative 1. 3 minus 8, negative 5. 14 minus 8, that will be 6. 9 minus 8, that will be 1. 7 minus 8, negative 1. 8 minus 8, 0. That's how we're able to fill in this. Remember that what is in this particular column is the same thing here, but the difference is that we have an absolute value. And I already explained in the other video that when we talk about absolute value of a number, say negative 3, that automatically it will become positive 3. Even if you have a positive 3, it will also give us positive 3. Even if you have a negative 10, it will give us 10. If you have 10, it will still give us 10. So that is what absolute value or modulo sign does. So in this case, any of the number here that has both negative and positive, it will become the positive of each of this number. So in this case, negative 1 in this modulo sign will change to 1. Negative 5 will be 5. 6 will still be 6. 1 will be 1. Negative 1 will be 1. And 0 will be 0. So what's the next thing we're supposed to do? Is to sum up this. Remember, the formula has sigma of this. That's summation of x minus x bar. So that would mean that we're going to sum up all the numbers we have in here. So what are the total number we have here to be? 1 plus 5, that will be 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Plus 1, 13. 13 plus 1, that will be 14. So the total number we have here, the summation of this is 14. So you can see that we've already done the calculation for everything. This numerator is what you're having to be 14. Then the n is the total number. So it's easier for us to get the mean deviation. Therefore, we have the mean deviation to be equal to, the numerator gives us 14, which will be 14 over n, which is the total number here, which is 6. So mean deviation will be equal to 14 divided by 6 will give us numbers in decimal. If we want to keep it in fraction, this is an improper fraction. We need to change from improper fraction to mixed fraction. And to do that, you ask yourself, how many times can 6 multiply to give 14? 6 can multiply itself twice. I think it will be 2 times, which will be 2 whole number. 6 can add up itself 2 times. Remember 2 to give us 14. That will be 2 over this particular 6. So we have this fraction also to be something that can easily be reduced. So 2 goes into itself 1 time, 2 goes into 6, that will be 3 times. The mean deviation, therefore, is going to be 2 whole number 1 over 3. So this is the solution to this problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Please hit the subscribe button, share this video, like this video, and please leave a comment if you have other questions you would like to ask as regards statistics. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.